This video is for people that's really, on the grind right now. My entrepreneurs, you may be self-employed. Heck, maybe you're just working a 9 to 5 and you're just working really hard, putting in a lot of hours. But it's okay to take a break. It's okay to slow down. It's okay to take a step back. And I wanted to make a video about this because this is something that I struggle with sometimes. I'm getting better at it. And I would even say it's a little bit harder now because I'm now self-employed. I've been self-employed for, I think, about 9 or 10 months. It's a weird feeling that I have. I feel like I always have to work. And if I don't work, I feel bad about myself. Let me know if you can relate. So it's like this toxic cycle of, if I take a little break, if I don't do what I think is a good amount of work, I just feel bad about myself. And I think part of this comes from just a lot of what we see online in this kind of, what do they call it, hustle culture. You feel like you always have to be doing something. You have to have like 5 or 6 businesses. You just have to grind, right? And of course, I do think you have to work hard and you have to have discipline and you need to be, serious about your goals, but I think you need to have a little bit of balance too. You need to have that time where you step away from your business or whatever goals that you're chasing and just give yourself a pat on the back, rest a little bit and sit back and just reflect on how much you've done and how far you've come. Kind of sit in that for a moment, you know what I mean? I would even say to get to that next level, as an entrepreneur and just even in life, rest and taking a step back is much needed. And this is something that I've learned over the years of just side hustling, starting businesses and just really grinding it out to really change my life, which is what I feel like I've done. I had a goal of different goals, starting a business, eventually, working for myself. And, that took a lot of grinding and sacrifice and pushing a lot when I didn't want to. And, sometimes it got pretty bad, led to burnout or just being overworked and stressed. But, I had a goal and I had to sacrifice. But stepping back from the grind is one of the best things you can do. And even as an entrepreneur and in business, it is crucial. I think it's very important. And I've learned this and just noticed it even more now, like within the past, I would say couple of years, because you need that time to take a step back. Like business, entrepreneurship, it's different seasons, right? You're not gonna always just push. And that's what I used to think when it came to business and side hustling. I just have to push. But it's like, you need that time to take a step back, reevaluate things, maybe work on new projects. Maybe you kind of reevaluate your goals and where you wanna go, the next season in your business. I just think those moments are very important for your mindset, your mental, and just, I would say, long-term success, right? So that's been a huge lesson that I've learned. And it's kind of what I've been doing recently. Like I said, I've kind of been struggling with it since I've been self-employed of, when I'm not working as much. And when I say that, I mean hours. So that's been a big kind of deal that I've had to deal with. I don't work as many hours as I did when I worked my 9 to 5. Like I work 12-hour shifts. And now I would say, honestly, I'm working, my hours vary, but I'm not really working more than, on a long day, I'm not working more than like 5 hours a day. And some days it may just be 2 or 3 hours, if I'm being honest. And I think the thing that I struggle with, and maybe you can relate to this when it comes to that, is I think that I have to work super hard. That's kind of been engraved in us that we have to work super hard and that equals more success, more money. So that's not true, because I don't work as hard as I did when I worked my 9 to 5, right? The work I do now is different though. It takes more creative thinking, critical thinking, working for myself. So it does take a lot out of me mentally, but I'm not working as many hours. But sometimes it still may feel like I'm working, those hours just because up here it's more work, if you know what I mean. But yeah, just trying to get better about rest, not feeling bad about when I rest because it's needed. It actually helps me in that next day, that next work day. I'm more energized, I'm more motivated, right? I just feel fresh, to do the work and ready to do the work. But that's the main thing, not feeling bad about the rest, not feeling bad if I don't work as many hours, you know. So a lot of, you know, working on the mindset, the mental, which is a big challenge as a, you know, entrepreneur and being self-employed. So yeah, you know, take that break, take that day off, take that vacation, you know. Only you know if you need those things, and if you do those things, don't feel bad about it, especially if you're someone who just in general that works hard. Like, I know I work hard, I have a good work ethic, I have discipline. Yeah, let me know in the comments, can you relate to this? Is this something that you've, you know, dealt with or struggled with? Let me know. Thanks for listening. I'll see you on my next video.